How do they do this? Nah. What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shamoya, aka Miss Royal Diva. If this is your first time here on this channel, I am here to help you on your journey to making beauty yours, whatever form that might be in, your natural hair, makeup, skincare, lifestyle. We can have it all. So today's video is going to be a natural hair video. I'm going to be trying some flexi rods on my natural hair for the first time. I have been dreading using rods. I don't know. I've seen so many videos where if you don't do it right, your rods, whether it be flexi rods or perm rods, they're not going to come out right. So I've kind of played it safe. So usually I stick with like a braiding curl, a twisting curl, something that is like, you know, less chances of failing. The only thing I have to do is ensure that my hair is dry properly. But to do like a full rod set, whether it be perm rod set or flexi rod set from the root, from the tip to the root, I've been avoiding doing that. But I just love the way like rod sets look. I love it, but I just know that I can't really do it properly. So I figured instead of, you know, showing all the good, let's do something together. Let's fail together. But we're going to be optimistic that it's actually going to come out right. But, you know, let's try this together. Let's get back to the basics of the journey and trying things together and see how it works out. Yeah, because this is the reality of your natural hair. You're going to have good styles, bad styles, doesn't come out good, frizzy. Whatever it is, you just embrace the journey, keep practicing. So can't preach what I don't practice. So we're gonna do this today. I actually only have two color rods. I only have the purple and the gray. I wish I had time to like buy some skinnier ones, but you know, it's okay. So I'm just gonna do like medium section, see how it comes out, see how it dries, and then we'll see how this works. And then if anything, I can buy the skinnier ones if I want to keep trying. So starting, my hair is freshly washed. Give my hair a good wash, deep condition, put in some leave-in, let it kind of soak up a little bit, and then I just went through and blow it out. So that's pretty much all is on my hair right now. Is the Curlsmith oiling cream leave-in conditioner. My hair feels real soft, it feels healthy. Yeah, so I'm only going to be using one product today. I'm using the Moisture Miracle Rose Water and Argan Oil Soft and Smooth Curl Mousse from African Pride. I got this from my beauty supply store. I've used it, I think like twice already. I figured it's a nice moisturizing mousse. The last time I used it on top of like a gel and leave-in, and it did flake a little bit. I don't know if it was the mousse or the gel, but we're gonna give it a try. I'm gonna go ahead and section this off in about 4. I really don't have that much hair. It looks like a lot, but it really isn't a lot. My hair is pretty, or my head is pretty small, I should say. I don't know. So we have 3 there, and then I'm gonna start on this side. So I decided to do it on stretch my hair first, because they say that this is like the easiest way. If you're new to this, if it's your first time, do it on your hair stretch. I also got that confirmation from Kimberly Sherrill. She was live a couple weeks ago. Yeah, she was live a couple weeks ago on TikTok, and I put in the comment like, I'm scared to do rod sets myself, and that was also her advice. So my hair is pretty detangled. I'm just gonna brush through, and we're just gonna dive right in. So wish me luck on this. I don't want to overdo it on the mousse, so I put about, that's 2 pumps. I'm gonna make sure, like, I feel like 2 pumps, that was still too much. Yeah, because I don't want my hair to like revert. So I'm probably gonna do 1 pump from here. It's like on one side I'm nervous, but on the other side I'm also like, look, this is your natural hair. What's the worst that's gonna happen? My hair is still clean, it's still moisturized. If it's frizzy, I'm just gonna put it in a puff and go. Like, it's okay. So I don't know if I should use the purple or the gray. I think the gray is a little bit smaller. I'm just trying to make sure it's like stretched and smooth. And then This is the thing too, I'm a lefty. So I'm gonna wrap it, but I don't know if you guys can see. I'm gonna put a tiny amount just on the ends to make sure they, yeah, make sure it lays down. And then I'm just gonna hold it. This is hard. How do they do this? Nah, I don't like that. I'm gonna grab a brush real quick. So I'm back. I grabbed two brushes. I grabbed the denim brush and I grabbed my detangling brush. So detangle, denim brush to stretch and smooth. I think what happened is I don't know which direction to really wrap in. Like, look, it's all frizzy up here. What am I supposed to do? This is not working out for me right now. All right, so this is definitely not working. So I'm gonna go watch one video and then I'll come back. All right, so I'm back. I actually didn't watch any videos. I decided to just sit here and try to figure it out. So the first two are in and they're holding. Is it smooth enough? Is it gonna be frizz-free? I'm not sure. But this is why we're here, trial and error. So I'm gonna go ahead and do majority and just come back with like one section. I'm gonna do most of it and come back with like one section because I don't want to make this video too long. So I'm gonna leave one of the front section and do it with you guys. So let me do majority of the work and I'll be right back. All right, guys. So good news is they're stuck to my head. They're not falling out. I think I got the locking part of it down pack, but I don't know if you guys can see here. Like I have hair sticking out. That's not good. Probably gonna have some frizz, but like I said at the beginning, we have to try. So we're gonna try, and if we fail, we try again, right? Definitely gonna have frizz. I can already see it. I was trying to focus on getting the ends like secured and everything, but as I was rolling, I could just see my natural hair pattern or the frizziness happening. So I don't know if it's the mousse that's not giving me as much like hold as it should to make sure, you know, the frizz doesn't happen. I do have the Design Essentials mousse, so I might try that next time. But I was trying to get like a soft hold and moisture. So don't know if that's what caused it. And I was trying to use less and less product with hope that, you know, that would help. But I feel like if I put a little bit of product, my hair is not like smooth enough. But if I don't know, it's just I'm just gonna finish this small section here, sit under a hooded dryer for 15-20 minutes just to make sure it kind of locks in, and I'm gonna try to sleep with them tonight and then I'll take them out in the morning. So hopefully it's not too bad, but I can already tell this is not the best. There's really not a technique that I'm following. I'm just trying to like keep my hair straight, make sure the ends are like secured and smooth and straight, and then roll. right, you guys, I am all done. I used way more rods than I thought I would use because I thought I could do big sections. I don't know if it's because my hair is like shorter, but I didn't want to risk it. I'm already getting the frizz. I didn't want to push it and do big sections, which is going to make it even worse. So that is what I have right now. I'm going to sit under the hooded dryer and then sleep on it overnight, and I'll come back in the morning and take it down and see what happens. I'm nervous. That's it, and I'll come back tomorrow. All right, you guys, it is the next day. I'm gonna take these down. Hopefully the quality is still good. I switched cameras to take these down, but so we're just gonna go in. I'm adding a little bit of oil to my fingers, nothing too fancy. Should I start at the back? Because I feel like the back was the one I struggled with the most. So it was definitely hard to sleep with these last night. I haven't tried to sleep with like rods or anything in a long time. There goes the one. It's not bad. It feels soft. That doesn't look too bad. That one is not too bad, but I feel like some of them are gonna be a lot worse than others. Like this one here, I can still, like I can see that the root wasn't really, you know, but it's okay. We got curls. Not bad. All right, so I'm just going to speed up this little section, take these all out, then I'll come back to separate them. All right, so they are all out. This is what my hair looks like. Oop. I just took them out. I haven't separated them yet. I see exactly what I was talking about. Like the root part is the frizzy part. I just think that the mousse wasn't the best for like my level of thickness. So I'll definitely do it again with a different mousse. And I probably use perm rods because I feel like I need smaller sections. But overall, right now, it's all right. I think I'll get a nice little fro out of it. So I'm just going to separate it some more, put some more oils, and see what I come up with. All right, so this is my hair before I fluff it. I'm really not mad at it. Like looking at it, I'm not mad at it. It's giving, what year is this? Is it 80s vibe, 70s vibe? It's giving. Now, I'm gonna fluff it up just a little bit. Not gonna do too much because I don't want to lose the few curls that I have. But this will definitely make a cute fro hawk. Like just to put up the sides, do a little pin up, fluff it, turn it into a fro hawk. But I feel like that's like my safe zone. I always do that with like twisting curls and stuff. I always turn it into a fro hawk. So I'm not going to turn this one into a fro hawk. I mean, I'm going to keep it as a regular fro. I'm just going to fluff it up a little bit. I didn't want to over separate because of the frizz. So there is frizz. There's some that are not like defined all the way through that I probably could have, you know, redo or made sure that the ends were more secured. But I think it's still cute. So let's fluff it up a little bit. But overall, like, I feel like I did decent for my first time. Like there's definitely some curls in there, especially like at the front, I think because I was doing smaller sections at the front. Wonder if I can like put a perm rod or something on this tonight just to fix a couple of these, like this section right here and this section right here. Maybe I can put like a couple perm rods in on the ends just to give it some more definition. So let me grab my pick. So I think I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm not gonna fluff it any more than this. Just gonna kind of brush up my edges a little bit. All right, guys. This is it. This is what we have. My hair do feel soft. It feels bouncy. It feels good. But I can already tell that even though this was my first time, the mousse is to be blamed. This is not a strong hold defining. It says sets, holds, and adds shine. I can see a little bit of the shine, but it definitely is not doing anything amazing. It has rose water, so it softens and help to repair hair porosity, and it has argan oil. So it feels good, but for my type of hair, for type 4 hair, I feel like you need something with more hold, because then when you go to separate, you know, you'll have more definition and less frizz. But it's giving body yaddy, body yaddy. Not mad at it at all. Not mad. Let me know what you guys think, like how I did for my first time. Practice makes perfect, right? Like I told you guys, I have the Design Essentials mousse, so I'm going to try that once. There's another brand online that I want to try, so I'm going to probably order that as well. I'm going to try this again. I'm going to get some smaller rods. Yeah, I'm going to get a pack of smaller rods, just a little bit skinnier, because my hair is not as long or whatever. And we're going to do this again in a couple weeks. So I'm probably going to be in protective style next 2 weeks or so. And then after that, so make sure you subscribe if you want to see the journey of mastering the rod set, because I love the way it makes my hair look. I just need it to be a little bit more defined and less frizz. But look at that curl. It's not bad at all. Another thing I could have done different too, I could have made sure that I went in the same direction for some of these. For like the front, this is going a little opposites, but not bad. All right, guys, so I think this is it for this video. Leave me a comment down below what you guys think, what you guys do different if you do rod sets. Drop some tips down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.